For years, the flight was never the part of travel I dreaded. It was the bag. A full week of clothes never fit in a carry-on, so I'd check one in every single time, then stand at the carousel watching the light packers walk straight out. For this Airless review, I packed my bags using it on every trip for a couple of months. Could it really get a whole week into one carry-on and get me past that check-in desk for good? Quick thing before I get into it. If you already know you want one and just want it at a discount, just click the link below in the description. Okay, let's get into what the Airless vacuum packing system actually gets right. A whole week in one carry-on. This is the whole reason you'd get one. So let's start here. First trip out, I packed the way I always do. Zipped the bag into the pouch, ran that little pump, and watched the whole thing flatten and go stiff in my hands. They claim 3 times the space. And honestly, it's not far off. I could fit maybe 15 more things into the same bag than I ever had before. After that first trip, checking in a bag just started to feel pointless. One button, and the air's gone. I expected this part to be a hassle, and it just isn't. The turbo pump is barely bigger than my palm, so it disappears into a side pocket, and I forget it's even there. Put it on the valve, hold the button. You hear it pull the air out in a few seconds. No rolling the bag, no kneeling on it. None of that wrestling it flat with your whole body weight like the old vacuum bags made you do. The bags bend round. Everything. This is where it beat every packing cube I've owned. Cubes are rigid blocks, and a suitcase is never a neat set of blocks. Once the air's out, the compression bags go soft and mold into whatever gap is left, wrapping around your shoes and into the corners instead of fighting them. I ended up filling dead space I didn't even know the case had. Everything comes out fresh. I didn't think I'd care about this one, and now I do. The bags are a waterproof anti-rip nylon, so once they're sealed, your clothes sit in their own little pocket. Damp and dust, whatever's flying around in the hold, none of it got in. Everything came out the other end exactly how it went in. Okay, now the downsides of the Airless compression bags. Nothing's perfect, and you should know these going in. It saves space, not weight. This is the big one to understand up front. The vacuum bags shrink how much room your clothes take up, but they do nothing about what they weigh. So if your airline is strict on carry-on weight, cramming more in can quietly push you over. Easy fix though. Keep a small luggage scale in the bag and weigh it before you leave, and you get the space without a nasty surprise at the gate. Stiff stuff barely shrinks. It's not magic on everything. Soft things like shirts, jeans, and towels squash right down, but stiff coats, shoes, anything with hard parts to it barely move, because there's not much air in them to pull out in the first place. Use the bags for the soft stuff where the real savings are, and pack the bulky things around them like normal. Overall, Airless is a genuinely clever little system for anyone who wants to travel carry-on only. It pays for itself pretty fast just by killing the checked bag fees you used to hand over every trip. You walk straight past the check-in desk and the carousel while everyone else stands and waits. One set handles trip after trip, nothing to throw out and nothing to keep buying again. And with a Red Dot Design Award behind it, it's clearly built for people who fly a lot and are done wrestling with their luggage. Now, if you want to grab Airless at a big discount, click the link below this video in the description, and it'll take you to the best place to purchase it. Or you can type the URL straight into your browser, habitcast.com/airless. I hope this Airless review helped, and thanks for watching.